Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the some chemical reactions of amine, just like Hofmann elimination, carbylamine reaction, then alkylation or acetylation of amines, and finally action of nitrous acid on amine. Okay, so we are going to start first, that is Hofmann's elimination reaction. Hofmann's elimination reaction. In the Hofmann's elimination reaction, here quaternary ammonium salt, just like CH3, CH2, CH2, and here C2H5, and here again C2H5. Here the lone pair of electron giving you again C2H5, and here Cl. Okay. So this is the quaternary ammonium salt, and the name is triethyl propyl ammonium chloride. So it is triethyl propyl ammonium chloride. Okay. So this quaternary ammonium salt, when treated with moist silver oxide, here moist silver oxide gives AgOH. Okay. Here Ag2O, moist. Now here liquescent, deliquescent quaternary ammonium hydroxide is obtained. Ag combined with Cl, here minus AgCl. And now here OH combined here to form here CH3, CH2, CH2. Now and here CH2, CH3. Here again CH2, CH3, that is ethyl group, and this is again CH2, CH3. Okay, and here OH negative. This is positive and OH negative. This is also called as the triethyl propyl ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so it is a quaternary ammonium hydroxide or triethyl propyl ammonium hydroxide. Now this triethyl propyl ammonium hydroxide, here minus H2O, this OH and H from this. Okay, so here minus H2O, and to form here tertiary amine, here CH2 CH3, here again CH2 CH3, and here as it is CS3 CH2 CH2. Okay, so this is diethyl propyl amine, diethyl propyl amine. Okay, and main product is alkene, means here H combined to OH to form H2, it gets eliminated, and now this CH2 and this CH2 it combines to form CH2 double bond CH2, and it gives ethyl. Means here in the Hofmann elimination reaction, when quaternary ammonium chloride or halide reacts with moist silver oxide to form here first deliquescent crystalline solid, that is quaternary ammonium hydroxide, which on heating it loses water molecule and to form the alkene with least substituted alkyl group. Okay, means it is a contrast to the Sedzev rule. In Sedzev rule, more substituted alkenes are preferred, and in this Hofmann elimination, least substituted alkenes are prepared. Okay, so this is the Hofmann's elimination reaction. Okay, next one after Hofmann's elimination reaction, that is acylation of amine. So what is meant by acylation? So the acylation means addition or introduction of acyl group. Okay, second one, that is acylation of amines. So here acylation, that is RC double bond O group. This group is called as acyl group. Okay, for example acetyl group, that is CH3 C double bond O this. Okay, this is the acetyl group. So the introduction of this acyl group or acetyl group on the amines with by replacement of hydrogen from amino group called as acylation of amine. Okay. So here acylation of amine, that is C2H5NH2, primary amine, plus here acetyl chloride ClCOCH3. For our convenience, it can be written as in this way. Okay. This is acetyl chloride, and this is ethyl amine. This is primary amine. Okay. Ethyl amine in presence of weak base, that is pyridine. Now this H combined with Cl, and here minus HCl and CO combined here to form here C2H5O, and this is H and this is C double bond OCH3. Okay. So this is ethyl and this is acetamide. So this is called as an ethyl acetamide, or it is also called as an ethyl ethanamide. Okay. So this is an ethyl ethanamide. If the secondary amine means C2H5O and here CH3, ethyl methyl amine, reacts with again acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, okay, in presence of pyridine. Now this H combined with Cl, here minus HCl, and CO combined here. So here C2H5O and here CH3 and here C double bond OCH3. So this is ethyl methyl amine. Okay, secondary amine. And now here an ethyl and methyl, here ethanamide. So here an ethyl and substituents of methyl, and this is CH3CON means this is ethanamide. It is also called as monoacetyl derivative of ethylamine, and this is monoacetyl derivative of ethyl methyl amine. Okay, this is the acylation of here amines. Okay, next one, that is carbylamine reaction. In the carbylamine reaction, here isocyanide or alkyl or aryl isocyanides, they are prepared. Okay, means they are obtained. So when here primary amine RNH2, it reacts with chloroform, that is CHCl3. This is primary amine. This is chloroform, CHCl3. Okay, and here alcoholic potassium hydroxide thrice heated. Okay, now the reaction is Rn, yes, this Rn and this C to form here RNC. This is alkyl isocyanide. Okay, alkyl isocyanide, having some characteristics made because of the isocyanide group. Okay, and then here this 3Cl combined with 3K to form thrice KCl, plus remaining 3OH, 1H and this 2H means 3H and 3OH to form thrice H2O. Okay, this is carbylamine reaction. For example, here if the primary amine of alkyl group means C2H5NH2 plus CHCl3 plus thrice KOH alcoholic, giving you C2H5, this N and this C to form C2H5NC, and this is called as ethyl isocyanide. Plus this 3Cl to form thrice KCl and thrice H2O. Similar reaction is carried out with the aniline. When aniline reacts with chloroform and alcoholic OH to form here phenyl isocyanide. Okay. So here next one, that is action of nitrous acid on amine. Instead of that, here first, before that, this carbylamine reaction, it is carried out only with the primary amine, not secondary and tertiary amine. सेकंडरी आणि टर्शरी अमाइन कार्बिलअमाइन रिएक्शन दाखवत नाही. फक्त प्रायमरी अमाइन्सच, ती एरोमॅटिक असो किंवा एलिफॅटिक, फक्त आपल्याला एलिफॅटिक आणि एरोमॅटिक प्रायमरी अमाइन ही कार्बिलअमाइन रिएक्शन्स शो करतात. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, ऍक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रस ऍसिड. ऍक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रस ऍसिड. Nitrous acid means it is HNO2, okay, and it can be obtained with action of NaNO2 and HCl. Here Na combined with Cl to form NaCl and plus HNO2. Means this nitrous acid, it is obtained in presence of NaNO2 and HCl. Okay. So with primary amine, here R NH2, okay, plus here HNO2 plus some HCl to form here RN2Cl. This is alkyl diazo chloride, okay, diazonium chloride plus water, but the reaction is just like this. Here RNH2 plus here nitrous acid, it can be written as HO and double bond O, okay, in presence of NaNO2 plus HCl. Now the reaction is here R combined with OH, N combined with N2 and H2 combined with O to form here ROH, corresponding alcohol, plus N combined with N means N2 and plus H2O. Okay. When aromatic amine means benzene, here NH2 plus HNO2 plus HCl. What is the reaction? Here benzene and this N means benzene and N2 and this Cl. So here benzene and here Cl. So benzene diazonium fluoride plus remaining here hydrogen and nitrogen, that is twice H2O. Okay. This is all about the action of nitrous acid on primary aliphatic or aromatic amines. Okay. So students, after watching this video, attempt the following questions. First, what is action of following on ethylamine, N-propylamine, isopropylamine, that is A, CH3COCl, B, NaNO2 plus HCl, and C, that is CHCl3 and KOH, alcohol. Okay. Then second one, what is action of AgOH, Ag2O moist on ethyl tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Okay. Third, what is action of, instead of this acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride is taken. Here acetic anhydride on diethylamine and ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine